Hey fellas, as you can see on my table is some Milwaukee circular saw, and customer called that it's not working, but it's working on my shop, and other service told that it's need a new controller, and I think it will be the fault in a switch here, because sometimes it happens that the saw is working intermittent, sometimes working, sometimes not. It's a switch problem. Okay, what we have here, we have the micro switch, and basically we know that it's working because the tool was working. Okay, we have some dust here. That's basically just a normal dust because the tool is working in this environment with the wood. Okay, what we can see, the controller itself looks nice, and we have common switch for this type of saws. And what we want to do here, we want to take it out, open it. I will zoom it a little bit, try to change the angle. Okie dokie. Okay, let's try to take this part out, and you can see that you have the terminals here. Try to zoom it a little bit more, and we can see that this one is blacked, this one blacked a little bit, and a little bit. So we need to clean this one, and of course we need to clean this ones. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. You can see that now they are shining. Okay, looks much better. Now we can close it back. I will clean the dust here. Okie dokie. That's all. Now we can insert it, and this wires really need to go here. Okay. Now we can try to turn it on. It works, so we need to get the handles back, assemble it back and bring it back to the customers. And the switch is a common problem for Milwaukee saws, circle saws, so just check them always when the tool is stopping or something's working, something's not, and you will be free. Easy to fix it, really easily, and that's all. Happy using of your tool, and for now I'm saying goodbye.